Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone Note 50 Pro with armor alloy metal design. With curved edges on four sides, now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display. 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 93.4%. Screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, and 144 Hz. Refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera. Set up on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2, and flicker sensor with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle. Front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 15 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of major Android updates and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.26 by 74.43 by 7.32 millimeters, and it weighs around 198 grams, and the color options: shadow black, enchanted purple, racing edition, titanium gray colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery with 90-watt wired fast charging, 30-watt wireless mag charge charging, 10-watt reverse wired charging, reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers tuned by JBL support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, AI features like AI eraser, AI cutout, AI writing, AI note, AI wallpaper generator, and AI assistant called Folax, IP64 dust tight and water resistant, bioactive halo AI lighting health monitoring support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G has been priced for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 79,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.